Ever wondered how to make a delicious Senegalese stew? Welcome to the world of Maafé, a mouth-watering dish that combines meat and vegetables in a rich peanut butter-infused broth. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to bring this African culinary delight to your own kitchen. Begin with preparation of your ingredients. Cut 500 grams of your preferred meat, be it beef or chicken, into bite-sized pieces. Finely chop 2 onions, crush a couple of garlic cloves, and dice or slice 2 carrots, 2 potatoes, and 1 green pepper. The cooking process starts by browning the meat. Heat a little oil in a large casserole dish or Dutch oven over medium heat. Add your meat, ensuring all pieces get a good sear. Once the meat is browned, it's time to add your vegetables. Combine the onions and garlic with the meat, frying them until they become tender and lightly browned. Then, introduce the carrots, potatoes, and green pepper to the mix. Now comes the heart of Maafé, the peanut butter sauce. In a separate bowl, blend 200 grams of peanut butter with a bit of broth to create a smooth paste. Introduce this paste to the casserole, stirring it into the meat and vegetable medley. Boost the flavor with 2 chopped tomatoes and a tablespoon of tomato paste. Stir thoroughly to ensure all ingredients are well combined. Next, pour in a liter of chicken or beef broth. Ensure all the ingredients are well submerged, creating a delightful soup. Season your stew with salt, pepper, and if you're a fan of some heat, add a dash of chili pepper. Stir well and let your Mafé simmer over low heat for about 30 to 40 minutes or until the meat and vegetables are tender. Before serving, take a moment to taste your creation. Adjust the seasoning if necessary. Once your Mafé is cooked to perfection, remove the pot from the heat and ladle the stew into individual bowls. For a complete meal, consider accompanying your Mafé with white rice or couscous. Now comes the best part, tasting. Savor every bite of this Senegalese stew, as the tender meat, flavorful vegetables, and creamy peanut butter sauce create a symphony of flavors on your palate. So why not give it a try? Experience a taste of Senegal in your own home. The delicious world of Mafé awaits you.